How do you respond to pressure? That is going to be the really big question that you're going to have to meet in your body system, in your energy system, in your daily life during February. I've been watching an amazing vibration. It's kind of the color of a ice blue, that blue of glaciers. That vibration is beginning to settle in. Soon it will be all through you, all around you, and it's a very, very interesting vibration. It holds this ability to put your system under big pressure, but also to really create some magical, beautiful transformation within it. My name is Prune Harris. I'm an energy expert, and I'm really excited to share with you how you can align your energy systems to this month of February. Now, I have a blog all about the energy of this month on my website, pruneharris.com, and in my membership channel on YouTube, you'll find much more information about the energy of this month and a deep way to align your core energy with this big pressure. In this video, I want to lead you through a simple daily exercise that you can do to help kind of ease the intensity of what's going to be occurring in your energy field and begin to help it meet those deep places of transformation in you. Physically, this pressure is likely to impact the skin and also the chest area. And for two big reasons, really. The skin, because it's that place, it's the first line of physical defense. Your auric membrane is the first line of energetic defense, and this pressure will go straight through that. This is one of the challenges of this month. Your aura, because it's a cosmic energy, your aura is not separate from it. So it can't be that big buffer against it. It's not supposed to be that big buffer against it. You're part of the cosmos. This energy is part of you. But it does mean that when that pressure gets to your skin, there's going to be a squeezing point. So dry skin, if you've got wounds, this may be a month where you need to pay extra attention to really helping them heal, helping your skin stay energized, stay healthy this month. For the same reason, because it's a month of huge pressure, then it's going to press on the heart field, which in turn is going to impact the chest. So we're going to be looking at ways for you to really help lift that chest energy. All right, let's start. First of all, we're going to work with the neurolymphatic points, deep places in the chest that's going to help, all in all, your energy system respond to this pressure and keep moving. Because remember, the pressure isn't there to stress you out. It's there to help you transform. All right, let's take the hands to the sternum. And first of all, you're just going to really rub that sternum. Rub it really well right from the very top. Maybe you want to do little circles. Maybe for you, it's better to do the whole length of the sternum. I'm going to do small, deep circles all the way down that sternum. Ooh, and it's quite tender. Don't be surprised if it is. At the same time, don't hurt yourself. Just always, always bringing kindness to your body, recognizing where it's letting you know something. Pain is a form of communication, so back off a little bit. You might find as you do this exercise through the month that it gets easier because you're bringing balance, or that actually it gets more tender because of that pressure. Let's do that again, actually. Really important, especially towards the upper part of the sternum. There's some amazing points here that really help express your core energy, your soul energy out through your entire field. All right, so next, you're just going to rake open the chest. You can literally put your fingers and you're going to just move from that sternum that you've just activated and woken up, and you're going to move all the way to the very edge of the body. If you have breasts, then obviously go over the breast tissue when you need to and come back to the bottom of ribs. If you don't have breasts, then you can just keep going through the entire chest. Just helps your body system open up to meet this pressure. All right, so now you're going to bring your fingers together and put them right in the middle of your sternum. And with your other hand, you're going to do the same thing, your fingers and thumb gently together, and you're going to pop that up into the arm crease. Powerful points here that help. Really what we're connecting into here is going to help your core energy and your heart field really stay in greater cohesion. It's going to encourage connectivity between the two. Let's just relax here. Bring your attention into your body. Just maybe let's concentrate on some gratitude for your body, for the fact you're alive, no matter what place of health you're in, happiness, ease, or challenge. Just the very fact that you have life today. Encourage your breath to become more full, no forcing it. Just as you take your attention to your breath, encourage your belly to really engage in the breathing so that your diaphragm picks up its super important role of connecting the upper body with the lower body. One more full breath here. And let's switch over hands, so middle of sternum and the opposite arm crease. And when it gets to a big area like an arm crease, anytime you're working with your own energy system, just tuck into where feels most natural for you. Whether you're connected on a logical level or not, or whether you're connected into your intuition at all, you can really trust that when it comes to your electromagnetic fingers clicking into place with another electromagnetic point on your body, then you've got it. You never have to overthink it. Sometimes as I move into a position like this, I might go a little bit higher and just check in. How does that feel? Might go a little bit lower. How does that feel? Come back. No, this is the right place. So feel free to explore, but generally, wherever you've gone first is the perfect place. If you're doing this when you're lying down, then make sure you've got some cushions or pillows under your arms. No strain, no stress. Anytime you're holding some position to affect your energy, if it's sore, if it's tense, if it's tight, that's going to be affecting your energy more than the change you're hoping to bring in. So be comfortable. 2 more breaths here. Again, just inviting your belly to really get involved in your breathing. We're going to keep that hand on the sternum, and with the other one, just going to come up so that you're going to place a finger and thumb on the edge of your nose towards your inner eye, and you can rest your finger on the forehead. No pressure here, no need to bring a squeeze in. Sometimes a squeeze into this amazing third eye point can be wonderful, but with this one we're really trying to encourage that flow, that connection through your energetic core or your daiji pole. So just bringing your fingers to these 2 powerful points can help align that, turning off your fight, flight or freeze. Activating your vagus nerve. Can you encourage your body to relax even more as you're holding these points? Maybe doing a little scan of curiosity. Where is the tension? How is your face muscles, neck, belly, hips? If there's anywhere that you can identify that you're holding tension, then invite that tension to release more, to relax more. One more full breath here. You're going to leave that hand on the sternum and you're going to take your hand anywhere on your belly. You're just going to lay it flat on your belly. And really, I encourage that to be anywhere. Maybe it's right up on the solar plexus. Maybe it's right down on the pubic bone. Wherever feels good. And again, get curious. It's simply wherever your energy needs to connect up. And as you're holding these points, and invite your body into stillness. This amazing ice blue vibration of February, it can work wonders in stillness. The way of your own body system, your own energy system, being really receptive to that alchemic potential within this cosmic vibration. I think that's a great question for this month. How often can you bring stillness into your day when you're not doing anything, not being active in any way? Can you do it for 10 seconds? Can you do it for a minute? How can you be really still at times? Okay. When we activate the core like that, then wow, the strength that gets released through your system will help you be able to meet this pressure of February in a very, very different way. So I wish for you a month that, yes, brings that transformation, but does so through ease, through peace. Okay, remember, for more information, you can go to my website, really read up about it, or come over to the membership on YouTube so that you can learn more about how to really activate your creative energy field. Bye-bye.